At in 1980, turn left, Bravo 8, taxi on the Bravo, and if you can pass on drone information to the ground controller.
We'll do Bravo 8, Bravo, and we'll do 1980. Ground United 1980, getting off of runway 27 at Bravo 8, Bravo.
1980, roger, straight ahead to spot 1, and when they're contact ramp.
Okay, over to spot 1, and then contact ramp, and we had drone at around, probably at around 3,000 feet, about, around on our base leg between Cat Dog and Saeed. Red drone heading west.
Do you have like an approximate size or how many engines or style or anything like that?
It was so small I couldn't tell. It was red. It was shiny. I could tell it was really small.
That's fine, thank you.